What up, YouTube? We got a Sunday service call here. And yes, I'm in flip-flops. Because it's Sunday. I don't feel like not having flip-flops on. Let's see if we can get in here. Oh yeah. This ought to be an easy one. Sounds like a capacitor. Everything runs. No cool air yesterday. See if our security system still works. He's gonna be my helper too. He might be around here somewhere. Oh, they got the door closed. I hear the fans running. There he is. There's my help for the day. What's up, Max? What are you doing? You want some air? Let's get you some air. Nice and cool outside. Yeah, see, just like I asked them to put it in fan only mode. The filter looks clean. So we'll get out here and you wanna go out? Go on. And we got a rud. Fairly new unit. All the signs point to the capacitor. The wire's tidied up in there nicely. So we'll get in here and see. I'm 99% sure we're gonna have a bad capacitor. So let's get that panel off, see what we got. We're gonna make quick work of this guy and get back to relaxing on this Sunday. I am currently on call, and it's been nice and quiet for me. So let's hope that let's hope this karma keeps that quietness going for me. Because I don't want to do anything the rest of the day. Yep. All I hear is humming. Now, she said the fan ran. But I don't see that fan running. We got it's a different kind of fan. It looks like maybe there's capacitor built into the fan, because this capacitor here is going to be, it's a 45. That's for the compressor. So there's your outdoor fan motor. Okay, LAC, if that switch is in, I didn't see that switch. If it's low ambient control, it's gonna have to build, it might have that, it's gonna have to build pressure before it brings it on. So let's get us a 45 capacitor, throw it on here. We'll check that guy out, but it's dead. Go from there. So there's our dead one. We'll check it out. My truck is a mess still. I've been running service and haven't had time to clean anything up. If y'all seen my Instagram, that motor had a big old wasp nest in it, and they came out and got me as I was carrying their house off the roof. Yeah, that's not good. She did. Barely got nothing left. I gotta get all this cleaned up at some point, but I bet it's a 45. I don't have everything I have is gonna be dual, but that's all right. Work with what we got. Get that guy put in there and go from there. We'll have to secure it a little different. You can see it's a little bit beefier than that other one, so I'll get that thrown on there, and I bet everything else is good. All right, so we made use of our bracket that was there. We're not going to play the run cap bandit today. Should be good to go. Let's go turn our disconnect back on. Move some crap out of the way. Let's go kick the thermostat on. We might hook gauges up just for the fun of it. I've never connected to this one, so just knowing these buildings and how they were built, they may not ever charge per subcooling to get the length of line set, because these line sets are fairly long, so it wouldn't surprise me to see something like that. But let's go get her kicked on and go from there. You guarding the door, Max? Lazy son of a... I started off not looking too bad. I'm not in a great spot for temperature drop, but it literally just started up. Maybe I didn't hit my probes for temp. I have to go hit those, but for the most part, otherwise, reasonable so far. We're gonna let it stabilize. Hang out with Max here for a few more minutes, and we'll check everything out. Leave this guy with some air. Yeah, you got air conditioning now. Couldn't ask for much better. Everything looks just about perfect. 10 degree subcooling, 14 superheat. I'm happy with it. So we're gonna let this one go. Max has got some air inside now, and my mom and dad ought to be home soon, and they'll have some air when they get back. So check it out Tuesday. I got another video dropping. We revived a 25-year-old 80-ton train, and I've got that going up Tuesday, so check it out. Go check out my Instagram page, everything HVACR, and y'all know what to do. We'll see y'all on the next one.